Greetings everyone, today bring another strategy. We use the financial market as reference and apply the concepts of hand of God. Combined with another indicator. For those unfamiliar, the hand of God is a strategy with two average and right Nash candles. We will configure the settings and use right Nash candles right here and set the time frame to M1. Okay? Next, we're going to add moving average line. We're gonna use two options. Start with moving average, okay? And select fractal chaos bands. We're gonna use that one. First one, let's configure that. The first moving average. We're gonna use 7 on periods in simple movement. Okay, that color is up to you. The other one, we're gonna use 20 on periods. Okay, and EMA for that one. Lastly, we're gonna set the chaos. Set 2 on period to go to side, remove unnecessary settings. I don't like to use background on that. Keep only the average or channels. Save the configuration. Okay. Now with indicators configured, guys, look for a clear entry. I use $31 for a 3-minute trade. That's very important. I'll explain the first entry when I found it. Here we have possible position. Okay, but let's try to find another one. Alright, look at that, guys. On GBP USD, we got a possible position right here, right now. And let's add this on my favorite list. The strategy is as follows. A channel indicators when the bearish and the average indicator bullish or bearish crossing. In a downtrend, okay, as a downward trend, wait for it to break the channel zone. Coincident with a price action zone, observe the price at this point and take the entry when it comes to it. Okay? The SP requires patience for a channel to break with force. Then go long in a favor of the trend, enter continuation based on average. Fewer that ranges with the fractal. Pay attention, okay? After waiting a few minutes, we have quotation right here. Alright, let's make this entry together, guys. But, as I said, pay attention on the positions. Alright. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Now we have right here. I think that is a good one. And let's try to make this entry, guys, together. Alright? Let's wait for the seconds to make this entry right now. Click on it. Alright. So after waiting a few minutes, guys, we have opportunity right here on GBP USD at the close for 1 minute candle M1 on the time frame, as I said for you. Just let me know the position right here. Okay, let's set this. Change the color. All right. Okay, guys, so we don't have any secret right here. Just wait for the result. I have the first position, guys. Waited the 3 minutes to set the outcome. Confirmation comes the breakout the fractal channel. And look at that, there are a few seconds when it got this finished operation. And this was successful on GBP USD, $58 in a total. The price broke the channel, indicated an entry to the upside. Now I look for a new entry with the same criteria. Okay? In a bullish containment, guys, if the price returning and doesn't pass enter a continuation. If the channel breaks, look for entry based on the breakouts. Okay, that is the point. That is necessary that I'm looking for it. Always when you have a broker, when the candle just break the channel outside the boundaries, that's when we have the opportunity to make our entry right here. So that is the only thing that you need to pay attention. Right here, guys, on the Euro USD, we're getting a new position. Look at that right here. Okay, we're gonna use $57 on that one, and we're gonna click on the sell button because the candle just break the channel. Pay attention on that. In that operation, there is strong bearish reaction. The fall is drastic, and the operation might be lost due to the volatility. The price fell from 16.92 to 28.70 on that. Okay. Point less than 2 minutes. Wait for the Chaos fractal channel break that, and we're gonna wait for that. Okay. Alright, guys, seconds left. 2 of that to finish the second operation. Another hit in Euro USD. The key partner was fulfilled, guys, and look at that, $187 of profits. Okay, when I have the break zone right here, that's what's catch my attention about this strategy. Sometimes Chaos bands coincided with the key areas of support or resistance line. When it's break forcefully, I went to bearish trade due to the strong downtrend. Okay, that's what needs to pay attention. When does breaks the barrier, breaks the boundary, that you need to pay attention. All right, the candle just go outside the channel, as you can see right here. That we have opportunity to make this one. For the next one, we're gonna use $180. I'll be patient and wait for a clear entry for the next entry. That's very important. We need to pay attention, we need to be careful, and we need to wait for the best moments. Okay, guys, right here on that one GBP CAD, I already have 2 correct calls. I have one last trade left and will be patient in making that entry. If I see it clearly, I'll make the trade. If not, I'll wait and explain when I have the last entry. Okay, but let's check the details. Right here we have opportunity, the price breaks, and it's going up quickly. Unfortunately, I got entry just as the pullback hits. Let's see that. Okay. Oh my god, prices fall right now. Guys, since the price is going back up to the Chaos channel and there's a break, I will enter a 3-minute trade. I see rejection these candles indicating potential for a reversal. Alright? Look right here. On this boundary, on this channel, on that. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. There are a few seconds left to finish the last trade, guys. The market is volatile, but I have another win on GBP CAD. The analysis was correct, though the entry was a bit premature. I thought I would lose, but the next candle helped me win. When the market is complicated, unexpected outcomes can happen. The entry originated in this candle. But if I haven't waited to average to rise, I might have lost due to volatility. The fractal broke the line, indicating trend change. I waited for the rebound and went short. This wasn't the best entry, but I followed the trend. Alright? That is the only thing that we need to pay attention when we just need to wait to perform our entries. Try to be careful with that. Alright? Guys, Right here, we don't have no more to talk about. So the strategy, just write your comments on this video. Just say for me what's your opinion about this strategy, alright? As I said right here, take care with the boundaries. This strategy is effective and I could use in the live sessions. I prefer these fractal indicators over others. Wishing good trade sessions, wishing good profits with good operations, and see you on the next live, guys, on the next video, on the next daily broadcast. See you, have a good day, bye bye.